Abba, what are you doing? Have you gone mad? Let me die, Farhan. What will I do living? The land where my ancestors' sweat is mixed has been snatched from me today. I am a farmer without a field, a living corpse. Abba, the field can be recovered. What will happen to us if you give up like this? Have faith in Allah, Abba. Allah doesn't live in this slum anymore, Aisha. Only money and power rule here. Landlord Vikram Singh has bought the city's big officers. He has made all fake papers. Tomorrow morning, their tractors will run on my field. They will run over my chest, Aisha. Hey, Rahim, I heard you were hanging yourself. You were doing well. Should I give you money to buy a new rope? Vikram, how? Do you sleep peacefully after seizing a poor farmer's land? I will go to the city and complain to the big Sahab against you. Who is the big Sahab? I am the Sahab of this district. Look at my signature with my red pen. What kind of justice is this, Sahab? You are an educated officer. You know Vikram Ji is lying. Even then, you are cutting a poor farmer's throat. This isn't a court for you to practice law. Your place is in the kitchen. Go bake rotis. This is the work of educated people. You, an illiterate, will teach me justice? Sahab, she's just a village woman. They only know how to cry and taunt. Listen, old man, vacate the hut before sunrise, tomorrow. Otherwise, I'll throw your son in jail on a false case, and he'll be grinding the millstone for life. We can't do anything, Aisha, nothing at all. These people are very powerful. Their pens have so much power that one signature has ruined our lives. Being born poor is the biggest sin in this world. We don't have a chair, so we have no value. Abba, you are absolutely right. We have no value because we have no chair. Vikram's power isn't in his money. It's in that officer's red pen. What are you thinking, Aisha? That officer mocked my education, didn't he? He said my place is only in the kitchen. Now I will show him what a village farmer's daughter-in-law can do when she sets out to save her soil and family. What is your plan? I will become an IAS, Abba. I will sit in this hut. I will study using the ashes of this stove. I don't have money for city coaching, but I have a stubbornness that no one else has. I will study by myself. IAS, Aisha? Is it some kind of joke? Lakhs of kids study day and night in the city. We are just ordinary farmers. A farmer's job is also to put their life into the soil day and night, Farhan. During the day, I will work as a laborer in someone else's field, and at night, I will prepare to take away the sleep of those officers. This is my promise, Abba. One day a government car will come to this field, but it won't be a bought officer of Vikram getting out of that car. It will be your daughter-in-law arriving as the collector of this district. Aisha, it's 2 a.m. Go to sleep. You have to go to the big landlord's field to harvest as soon as it's dawn. Sleep and hunger. These two are the biggest obstacles on the path to becoming an officer, Farhan. If I sleep today, Abba's humiliation will never be avenged. But without a teacher, without coaching, how will all this happen? People say even the rich, fancy kids from the city fail. So what if they do? Do you think I'll become a collector just by reading newspapers? Those who have money buy intelligence, Farhan. But those who have stubbornness write history. I have realized that this study is not just a test of books, but a test of courage. Daughter-in-law, take this. I brought it from the village's broken shop. In the evening, interviews of big officers come on this. I've heard them say that hard work is everything. This isn't just a radio, Abba, it's my strength. Don't worry. Your daughter-in-law will change the fate of this house. Look, the district's future Madam Collector is going. I heard that these days she recites her studies even while cutting grass. Why, Aisha? Once you become an officer, will you recognize us poor people? Or will you kick us out like Vikram? When I become an officer, Auntie, no woman coming to fetch water from the well will ever be humiliated again. Everyone will get their right to respect. Oh, shut up, she's come to talk big. There's no grain to eat in the house, yet she dreams of the sky. Hey, Collector, note down my car number. It might come in handy. I heard you're studying a lot. Come, calculate how much dust has gathered on this tire. The dust on the tire will be washed away by the rain, Rohan Sahab. But to bring down the arrogance that has climbed into your head, the rain of justice is necessary. Hey, your tongue has started. Moving too much. Did you forget that your father and husband work as laborers for me? With one signal, I'll burn your books to ashes. You can burn the books, but how will you burn what has settled in my mind? Try raising a hand, Rohan Sahab, and we'll see. In 15 days, a government officer is coming to seize your house, then save your house with this education of yours. No, these books must not get wet. These are my last hope. Aisha, leave the books. First get Abba outside. The hut might collapse. No, if these books are ruined, I will never be able to stand up again. Oh Allah, what kind of test are you taking? Vikram on one side and this poverty on the other. Is it so difficult for a poor man's daughter-in-law to become an officer? Can a poor woman really never dream big? Aisha, enough now. Abba has had a high fever since last night. There isn't a single penny in the house for medicine. Tomorrow is the last date to fill your IAS form. Where will the fee money come from? These books won't give us bread. Farhan, these books are not just paper. This is the path to our freedom. Just give me today. I will bring both the form money and Abba's medicine. How? No one in this village will give us a loan. Vikram has scared everyone. I won't ask for a loan, Farhan. I will sweat for it. Aha! The district's future collector, madam, is carrying bricks. What happened to those thick books of yours? I told you before, your status is only to labor. Carrying bricks is not a small task, Rohanji. By carrying these bricks, I will fill my IAS form. And remember, with these very bricks, I will one day build my Abba a new house and break the arrogance of people like you. Your tongue wags a lot. So what if you filled the form? 15 days are up. Tonight your house will be seized. Mr. Sharma himself is coming with the police to throw your belongings outside. Hey Farhan, take all your things outside. The 15-day grace period is over. Now this land and this hut are mine. Constable, go inside. Throw all the belongings out on the road. And those books of his wife's, throw those into the drain first. Yes, Sahab. Don't take a single step forward, Constable G. Otherwise it won't take me a minute to strip you of that uniform. Girl, you're going to teach me the law. I have a court order. I'll send you to jail right now for obstructing government work. Don't teach me the law, Mr. Sharma. I haven't just memorized these books. I have understood them. Have you read Section 60 of the Civil Procedure Code? It is clearly written in the law that the government can never seize a poor farmer's residential house and his farming tools. Sahab, what is she saying? You said everything was set. If your police lay a hand on my house today, I will file a case against both of you in the High Court tomorrow morning, and believe me, Mr. Sharma, I will snatch away both your red pen and your job. Back off. This girl knows the law. If she complains in court, my job will be gone. Let's go from here, Vikram. Sahab, were you scared by an illiterate girl's words? She is not illiterate, Vikram. She has learned for herself what even big lawyers don't know. I can't take the risk. You blocked my way with a law book today, didn't you? But remember, tomorrow morning is your main exam in the city. I'll see how you reach that exam hall alive. If you manage to take the exam, my name isn't Vikram. Aisha, you saved the house today, but tomorrow morning Vikram's goons will be spread all over the road. They will kill you. Aisha, you won't go to take the exam tomorrow. The exam will be tomorrow, Farhan, and I will go. I cannot step back, standing on the foundation of Abba's humiliation, even if I lose my life on the road tomorrow. Farhan, you stay here with Abba. I will take the first bus to the city via the forest path. I will go alone. A husband's job isn't just to earn bread, Aisha. Protecting his wife's dreams and honor is also his job. As long as there is a single drop of life in my body, no goon of Vikram's can even touch your shadow. Let's go. Where are you going, Collector Madam? The exam center is in the city, but your and your husband's grave will be on this path today. Rohan, leave the way. If Aisha gets even a scratch, I will take your life. Such courage from a laborer. Beat the scoundrel and tear that paper of this. Girls, and throw it in the drain. In this country, only rich people become officers, not beggars like you. Farhan. No! Rohan Sahab, please forgive me. I won't go to take the exam. Please leave my husband. I give up. What's the use of giving up now? Now I'll finish this insect right here. Snatch her bag. Aisha, run from here. My life isn't in this body, it's in your exam, Aisha. If you stop today, I will truly die. By the oath of Abba's humiliation, run from here. Don't let my sacrifice go to waste. For the sake of my blood, run, catch her. She shouldn't reach the bus stand. Reach the bus stand. Let me in. I have my IAS mains exam. Time is up, girl. It's 9:00. The rules are the same for everyone. The gate won't open now. Come next year. Not next year, uncle. My husband is fighting for his life for this exam. My Abba's honor is at stake. Please open the gate. My entire life and an innocent family will be ruined. What happened, Ramu? Why is this girl sitting on the ground crying? She arrived late. It's 9. I have closed the gate according to the law. Sir, I wasn't late. The landlord's goons tried to kill me on the way. Look at this, sir. This is my husband's blood. Let me.
Insert otherwise, today a goon's power will become greater than the law. Open the lock, Ramu. But sir, the law.
Laws are made for humans, not humans for the law. A girl who has come to take an exam even after seeing her husband's blood is the future of this country. Open the gate. Don't touch my feet, daughter. Run inside. You have only 3 hours to change your destiny. Go. I have to become an officer for my Farhan, for my Abba, for my soil. 3 years. For 3 whole years, you and your father have been waiting for that girl. I already told you that she ran away with some rich man in the city. My Aisha is not a girl who would run away, Vikram. You tried to stop her that day, but she went to take the exam. She will come. She will come as a collector. You fool. She's lying dead somewhere. Today I will burn down this hut and end your 3-year wait, and my factory will be built on this land. Don't burn my house, Vikram. I have nurtured this land with my sweat. Kill me, but don't burn this. Old man, your land is mine and your life is mine. Rohan, set fire to this hut. Set the fire. Police. What is the police doing here? Abba, there was no checking today. Police, hands up. Drop your weapons. Everyone, hands up. No one moves from their spot. Hey, Inspector Sahab, what is this insolence? Don't you know who I am? I gave lakhs in donations to the minister just yesterday. Which officer sent you here? Aisha, my daughter, in a government car. You asked, didn't? You, Vikram, which officer sent the police? The new district magistrate of this district sent them.
That same collector madam, whom you said had the status of carrying bricks. So what if you've become an officer? Don't you know how much influence I have at the top? The MLA is very close to me. One phone call and you'll be transferred. Make the
call, Vikram, but not to the MLA. Call your lawyer, because that close MLA of yours was arrested last night in a land scam. Abba, she has gone mad. Run from here. Inspector, catch him. Don't let him escape. 3 years ago, you attacked my husband with a rod. Today, I am putting you inside for attempt to murder and seizing the land of the poor. Your whole life will now be spent grinding the millstone. Abba, save me. She will ruin me. Forgive me, daughter. I was blinded by the intoxication of power.
take all my land, take all my money, just let my son go, uncle.
When I begged for justice from you in this courtyard, you called me just an ordinary woman of the kitchen, Vikram. I don't want your land or money. They are the blood of the poor. I am here only to take back my Abba's soil and his honor. All right. Remember, Mr. Sharma, you said there was a lot of power in your red pen. Sitting in that government chair, I have signed your suspension and arrest warrant with my pen. Law is not for crushing the poor, it's for saving them. Take them all away. Abba, your land has been returned. Your daughter-in-law has fulfilled her promise, Abba. You are not a daughter-in-law. You are the son of this house, Aisha. You are the blessing of my home. Today you have proved it. Are you crazy? Will a district DM touch her husband's feet? I am the DM for this district, Farhan. For you, I am that same Aisha. If you hadn't shed your blood for me that dark night, if you hadn't told me to run, then I would not have been able to reach this uniform and this position today. The real foundation of my success is your sacrifice. Forgive us, daughter. We illiterates thought women could only handle the hearth. Today you opened the eyes of the whole village. I didn't open their eyes, uncle. This soil did. A person's status is not determined by their clothes or their house. Status is determined by their intention and courage. If a person has stubbornness, one can write history even without coaching, without money, sitting in a broken hut. Let's go, Abba. We will plow this field again. But now there will never be a debt to any Vikram on this field again. Friends, if you like the story, then like and share it. This story is completely fictional. It has been created for entertainment and educational purposes only. It has no connection with any real event or person. We only make these videos to educate people. Hope these videos will be useful to you. And if you want to get more videos like this, then like this video, and if you don't want to miss any video, then definitely subscribe to our Islamic Tales channel for more such educational stories.